Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. Introduction. Finding your way through the wilderness while hiking can be both exhilarating and challenging. To enhance your hiking experience and ensure you never lose your path, a reliable handheld GPS device is an indispensable tool. Whether you're exploring new trails, embarking on extended backcountry journeys, or simply seeking peace of mind in case of unexpected situations, the right handheld GPS can be your trusted companion. In this guide, we will explore the top contenders for the title of the best handheld GPS for hiking, examining their features. On number 5, Garmin Montana 700i, Rugged GPS. The Garmin Montana 700i is a rugged GPS handheld device that offers cutting-edge technology and durability for outdoor enthusiasts. It features inReach satellite technology for global connectivity, allowing users to send and receive messages and access emergency services even in remote areas. With a 5" glove-friendly color touchscreen, preloaded maps, a 3-axis compass, and a barometric altimeter, it ensures accurate navigation in challenging terrain. The device boasts a rugged design, an extended battery life of over 18 hours in GPS mode, and tracking capabilities, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. Garmin's reputation for product quality further reinforces the device's reliability for outdoor navigation, communication. On number 4, Garmin 0100173510 inReach. The Garmin 0100173510 inReach Explorer Plus is a handheld satellite communicator featuring topo maps and GPS navigation. It has a strong rating of 4.7 out of 5 based on customer reviews. The product is available and is imported from a USA store. However, it's worth noting that this product is not fulfilled by UBI, and there may be a minimum 10-day delivery time. In case of delivery issues, the product may be cancelled from the order with a refund. The device is designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want to explore remote areas while ensuring the peace of mind of their loved ones. Additionally, it's important to consider voltage compatibility and potentially use a power converter for electronic products purchased from the US store. On number 3, Garmin eTrex 32X. The Garmin eTrex 32X is a cost-effective handheld GPS device that stands out due to its addition of an altimeter and electronic compass. It offers a good blend of simplicity and performance, making it a versatile option for various adventures. The device includes preloaded topo maps and supports routable navigation, enhancing its off-trail navigation capabilities. While it has a small screen and lacks connectivity, its long battery life and lightweight design make it suitable for outdoor activities. Compared to similar products, it offers solid performance in terms of reception, ease of use, and display quality. On number 2, Garmin GPS Map 79SC, Marine. The Garmin GPS Map 79SC Marine is a rugged and water-resistant handheld GPS designed for marine use. It floats in water, has a high-resolution color display with scratch-resistant glass, and offers accurate tracking using multiple satellite constellations. It comes preloaded with Blue Chart G3 coastal charts, features a built-in compass, and includes a barometric altimeter for precise altitude readings. With a battery life of up to 20 hours in GPS mode, it's ideal for marine adventures and outdoor activities. Customers appreciate its durability and user-friendly interface, making it a valuable tool for boaters, kayakers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Overall. On number 1, Garmin GPS Map 66i. The Garmin GPS Map 66i is a high-end handheld GPS device with built-in inReach satellite communication capabilities. This review and guide provide an extensive overview of its features, strengths, and drawbacks. Key points include: highlights. The GPS Map 66i is a rugged and durable GPS designed for outdoor use. It features ergonomic design for ease of use in various conditions. The built-in inReach technology is reliable and similar to other inReach devices. The device offers fast startup and GPS signal acquisition. Preloaded topo maps have improved and offer more trails, with the option to load additional maps via microSD cards. In conclusion, selecting the best handheld GPS for hiking depends on your specific needs and preferences. There are several outstanding options available on the market, each with its own set of features and capabilities. If you prioritize top-notch performance, durability, and advanced navigation features, the Garmin GPS Map 66i is a solid choice. It combines a rugged design with inReach satellite communication, making it suitable for outdoor enthusiasts who venture into remote and challenging terrains. For those looking for a more budget-friendly option without compromising on essential GPS functionalities, so this was the video guys. Do check the link in the description and like to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.